honor women all over the world on 8th March every year. So, on occasion of this, I would like to welcome Ms. Siddhi from Curry and Brown, India, to share her experience with working into construction industry for the past 16 years. Hi, Siddhi.
Hi Lakshmi, how are you?
I'm good. So, could you please tell us about the work you carry out for Curry and Brown?
Yeah, Namaste everyone. This is Siddhi Paudankar, working with Korean Brown India since last 2011, since last 10 years, you can say. I'm taking care of pre-contract works, post-contract works, cost auditing works, etc. to name a few.
So, what made you want to work into the construction industry basically?
Uh, construction, basically, since childhood, I have a passion of constructing anything or doing analyzing. So I chose this industry because, and also my grandparents were a civil engineer. My dad was a mechanical engineer. So I have a history of engineers in my family.
Okay,
So as Raja ka beta Raja banega, like that, engineer ki beti engineer ban gayi.
got it.
So that was the thing. And secondly, when I chose this field in as a career, I have observed that it's a very rewarding uh, field. Means it's very happy. It's give you very satisfaction when you see that you are a part of that project of any residential complex or a mall. When you just pass through by the road and you see that yes, the success. I was the part of this successful project. So, that is the reason I have chose this field.
Okay, so how was your experience to work in this construction industry?
So far, it's
It was with Ian Brown.
yeah. So far, it was a very wonderful experience throughout my 16 years of career. Since Korean Brown, I am since last 10 years. But overall, I have a 16 years experience in the construction industry. See, as I've said, that I got opportunities to work in different kind of projects like residential, commercials, um, hospitality projects, health industries. So I got the chance to work with various peoples as well, so in various regions. So I got to know their experiences. I got to know their opinions about any topic. The exchange of thoughts
Right.
that make that made me to develop my not only the academic but overall thinking process or overall general knowledge. Then I got to know their cultures as well, their traditions. So overall it developed me
Right.
as a person, as a professional as well, and as a person as well. So overall it is a wonderful experience. No doubt I have faced some failures as well, but I got in Korean Brown as well. I got seniors that they have always helped me to not only get depressed by the failures, but to learn something from the failure.
Okay, that's
So
good.
overall, it has developed me as
Oh,
a human being.
right. Good. So, as per your opinion, what are the biggest changes the industry needs to make to ensure it is more accessible to females?
Uh, See, any female, whether it is you, me, or anyone, definitely they are hesitant to work in the construction industry because of time. There are
Time.
three things. Yeah, there are three things that I would feel to be changed. That is time, safety, and healthy environment, healthy work environment.
Correct.
Like I said, time. Um, in construction industry, there is no time bound. That is, it is not a monotonous job of 9 to 5. You have to, sometime you have to work late, sometime you have to go early when
Right.
the execution is going on the site. So I feel that any construction industry or any construction company should give time flexibility for a woman,
Yeah.
so that she can handle home work. The work life balance should be equal. for
True.
her.
Means
And
like working flexible hours and all, no?
flexible hours and all. Yeah, it should not be like 10 to 6 you have to work. It is like if she has some work in the evening, she can come early to the office. She can go early to the home
Right.
for
Right.
carry out her another works.
Right.
So that is the thing. Time flexibility should be there.
Right.
Second thing, I would say safety is the most concern nowadays in anywhere. I would not say India, but anywhere in the world, the safety is the most important. So I would say construction companies should adopt the safety policies
Right.
wherein if a female employee has to work late night, so they should ensure that the woman after completing her work, she will reach home safely. They
Right.
should take the initiative in that, so that no woman will feel that no female employee will feel hesitate to work late night.
Correct.
Okay, secondly, thirdly, I would say healthy working environment. The the equality of men and women working should not be on paper. It should be adopted by each and every day. The credit of any woman should be given 365 days, not on only one day, that is on Women's Day.
Yeah.
If we are not giving credit to that woman 364 days, and we are even celebrating a one day, that is
Right.
not a way. So these are the three things which I feel that construction industry should adopt, so that no woman will hesitate to choose this as a career.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
So we do have female engineers in all other regions also on in
Yeah.
India offices. So
Yeah.
any message you would like to advise them considering a career into construction industry? I mean,
Yes. First is speak up. I feel that God has gifted of every woman, whether it is a construction industry or any industry. She has been gifted by a God for her detailed working, her perfectionist. She is a perfectionist, and she is a multitasker.
right.
Nowadays, you have also feel in Corona times, the women were working in the office, means working from home. She was working from home. She was taking care of the her in-laws or her parents, grandparents, her children's. Now, children's were also having virtual schools. So
Yes, have
taking
to take care.
yeah, so taking care of the kids as well in this, especially in this Corona time, sanitization, keeping eye on the children. So everything side by side, she was working as well.
Right.
So she is a multitasker. So please join this. I would say construction industry need women, need a multitasker. So please join this industry, and whoever has in this industry, please speak up for your rights, so that unless and until you will say, no one will understand what your needs are.
Yeah.
So speak up, and if you want to have the satisfaction of the anything you are being part of that project, so please join this industry.
Thank you so much, Siddhi.
Yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thanks.